homeowner at INZ Residences have reported a persistent beeping sound accompanied by an E3 error code. The beeping sound is usually a signal that something needs attention. This is a serious issue. Gas leak greater than 499 ppm. Heat exchanger leaking. Rusty gas valve. For safety and compliance, we recommend a full heater replacement instead of temporary repairs. A new macro MA-20WODP gas heater has been installed. How to check for city gas water heater with beeping sound issues? Check the control panel display. Observe when the beeping happens. Check for unusual smells or heat. Inspect for visible rust or water leaks. Don't ignore or force a beeping city gas water heater. After gas heater replacement, we will do proper testing. This makes sure to comply with Gas Supply Regulation 21 and provide you with a statement of gas appliances testing certificate immediately upon completion of the installation. Stay safe. Maintain your heater.